Hey guys, this is Barry with Fire and Ice Outdoors, and we're doing another unboxing video. This company sent me this. It's actually cleans your bikes for you. And I say that you have to do the work, but it gives you the tools. Inexpensive and actually pretty efficient. This will be the first time I just looked at it online, but let's open it up and take a look at it. So, bike chain, lube. Here, come on in. We'll look at it together this way, like professionals do. All right, so let's open it up. Cleaning, a little card, Amazon shop. They send you this. They show you the tools and what all that do, which is pretty cool. Let's open it up and take a look. I'll use this stuff in the future. All right, so let's put this to the side. Not sure what this does. Let's see. So this brush cleans the cassette and your derailleur. Just little joints. It's really small, so it'll get in between your pedals and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. This is a chain cleaner, which is neat. Let's see, how does it work? How do you open it up? Good Lord. What in the world? Do they give you a tool to open it? It's too flimsy. I don't get it. Why is this so hard to open? Oh, that sucks. Does this do anything? So that goes, but once I put this on, you won't be able to open it. So this slides, if you see this, it slides down through here like that. So you can hold it and run your chain through it. There's got a little lever on the back here. But opening this thing is a pain. So you put solution in there. Okay, it don't need to be this difficult. I don't even know how to put this back. Okay, so there's that. There's that. I don't even know where this goes. I don't know. This is aggravating. And it gives you a towel, some gloves. Let's see what else is inside here. So this is your bike cleaning stuff solution. It's a degreaser. Oh, so I mean they give you the stuff with it. Here's your oil for your chain. Comes with a little needle, which is pretty cool. Spray, and this goes to this right here. Only thing I don't like is this garbage here. I don't even know. This is junk. I don't even know where half this stuff goes on here. So this is trash to me. Anytime I do an unboxing video and it gives me anxiety, I don't like it. But honestly, the rest of it, this is okay. This solution is okay. And I don't think it's really expensive. I mean, this whole little setup isn't terrible. So 7-piece, it cleans and lubes and everything else. So if you like anything like this, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I'll actually put this in the description below. And I appreciate you watching, guys. Thank you.